Dumelang sanbonani apsheni igama lami nguSlim. Welcome to another show of Something Music. Our area code is Umhlaba Wonke Jikelele worldwide. Thank you very much for allowing me to bless your screens, to be in your dining rooms, your living rooms, your cell phone, your tablet, your laptop. This is your number one show that rates, preview, and review umculo wasemzansi. So ngiyabonga bafethu, I'm seeing numbers, they are growing. Thank you very much for watching the show, liking, commenting, so that I can also grow as a podcaster and the number one podcaster that reviews umculo wasemzansi. And today I'm feeling very honored by looking at the numbers. I'm feeling very honored by the feedback that I get from everyone who's watching the show, coming from TikTok, coming from Instagram, coming from Facebook. Thank you very much, Bafetu. And I'll keep on doing this until this super glue iwoma. And I mean, now we're like this. Sibe umuno nezip, you know. So Vandag, I'm sure you are wondering, Uguti, why am I wearing a tycoon suit? That's what we call it, a lokshini. And we have new music on our DSPs. That's why I'm here, to make things easy for you, young tall. So without any further ado, let me give a shout out to J Class. You might be wondering, why am I wearing a cape J Class today and not wearing the one that is written Slim So Deep. J Class is for my boy. Shout out to my boy DJ Jaws, which his followers, he calls them J Class. Shout out to my boy DJ Jaws. So vandaag, let's jump onto it. There's new releases that we got, and there's new releases that actually caught my eye, and I'm very happy to be living in this era so that we can now demonstrate and talk about the music that has been released by our artist of today. So vandaag, Utira has released an EP which consists of 7 songs. I'm sure we've been seeing DJ Maphorisa with Utira. They've been together lately, and we're wondering ukuthi kwenzakalani. Some they say no, it's a promotion. Some they say no, they're doing an advert. They will never do music together. There's all these pulling and pushing of information. But then mina vandaag ngizogaya ama facts, ngiyangithola, because mina I don't deal with indaba ze gossip nani uyangithola tabloids. No, that's not me. Vandaag, I'm giving you the facts. The album is out. Today is the 28th of February, 2025. Tira has released an album which consists of 7 songs. And that album, the name of the album is Kupuga. And I believe ukupugile lapha ya Utira. From what I can see, Utira ukupugile. And as I say, Afro ukupugile. I'm very happy for you, and I'm sure the album will do well, even though the numbers, when I check on DSPs, they're still on the hundreds. We have not reached the millions as yet. There's a title track there that is called, the track is called Baba Wami. Beautiful track. Melody, harmony. Excuse me. The track, I was wondering when I listened to that, where is Tira now going? Because we know Utira as someone who does iqom. Young tall. We know Utira would die. Ngeskupu. Kimoto speaker. But then he just gave us a nice, almost like your Afro tech. You can listen to that song on a long drive. But I'm not going to rate the song. I'm just going to rate the overall, because I took time and I listened. Guys, I wake up around 12, because this thing has got about 11 hours. I wake up around 12, midnight, and I listen to the songs. Just listen to new music. And then I give my honest review, and I preview, and I rate the songs or rate the album. But vandaag, we are mostly on the album. I'll pick and choose there. Let's go back to Utira. The song is called Baba Wami. Dope song. I love it. If I were to rate the song, I'll give that song a 10 out of 10. Beautiful song. It's not Tira there. It's somebody else. But then because of the ear and the experience, that is number one song. I love that song, beautiful. But then engayithandanga, he just gave me, I think it's give me a 6-minute song, man, Tira. I know it's not, but give me a 6-minute song. Then sibe mnandi, you know. And as we've been seeing Utira no Pori these days, he also released a single that they pushing. The single is Upalisa, nice song. And when Pori jumped into the song, Nayo when he jumped into the song, he gave me a vibe like a professor lapha. He was reviving Professor Ukholo Upalisa. Not professor, my apologies. He's giving me a vibe of Elvovo Tirango. Yes. Sekusele kancane ukuthi ngimkholo uPalisa, not to professor, my apologies. That's Elvovo. Sekusele kancane ukuthi ngimkholo uPalisa. So that's a beautiful song. Love the song. It's nice. It's also moving. The only thing about that a producer or a beat maker needs to do, a song must never be stagnant. A song must be moving. Even if it's a loop, the loop must move. That's all. That's all we want. And we're going to have great music. We're going to have timeless music. I can take you back to Abo Fisherman. No stress, baby. Khali Swep. Angifuna zonke izinto ezingenza ngibe happy. That song is moving. Even today, I play that song, everybody goes crazy. You understand? But then let's move on. There's another one where he features Nkosazana Daughter. I'm happy that Nkosazana Daughter is also jumping and rubbing shoulders Nabotira. That is track number 2. Beautiful song also. Beautiful song. I love it. Let's not waste time and rate the EP or album, 7 tracks Yakatira. I'm going to rate that EP 9 out of 10. Great job. After a long time, Atuli Lutira. This is a beautiful project. I love it. And please, Tira, try and push into Anazasetegwini because I see names that I don't know. Gule EP yako. Try to push them so that they can shine the light. Ejozi, Mpumalanga, Eastern Cape, Western Cape, they can shine the light. I mean, a year or 2 years ago, we didn't know a guy ofana no Scott Mapuma, you know. We never knew about umuntu ofana no X-Dapi. Please bring forth those guys, and then so that we can enjoy the music, because I still believe ukuthi Igqom can also now rule. Igqom can never have one representative outside of South Africa and Africa, DJ Leg. It can never be like that. So we need people or distraction boys. We need more guys to be there. We need more soldiers to push Igqom. So I'll give yours, Ikupuga 9. Clean. That is yours. I'm giving it to you. We had something very that caught my ears when I was listening to the music, which was released also about 11 hours ago. That music is Usimi no Mtunzi. You remember Mtunzi from the EP yake no Kabza Isimo, which is the still an unstoppable EP even today. So they released a song that is called Ginawe. Dope song. I love it. Just listen to it. If you disagree with me, you can just say on the comments. I'll also give the song a 8.5. See me and Umtunzi, I'll give it at 8.5. If you disagree, comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your friends. And then while we're still at that Afropop type of music or R&B yasemzansi, Uringo Madlingos. Remember last episode, he released a song called Nomsa. I think it was on the 14th of February. He released a song Yaga Nomsa. And I'm sure that guy, he listened to me. because I saw there's he's going to release an album now. Pre-save it. He's giving us an album that is called Ikwelo. I almost mistaken it Ikwela, but then this one is Ikwelo. Ubabu Ringo Madlingos, I'm sure he's going to give us a banger. I wish when I see Ubabu Ringo Madlingos releases, I just feel like Urobi Malinga was alive. I feel like Uzahara was alive. So that we can have that collaboration Yaga Babu Robi, Yaga Zahara, and Nobabu Ringo Madlingos. Come on. You get a killer there. There's no way you get a killer there. But let's jump on. We'll wait for E25 Zaga April so that he released the album, and then we'll going to rate Babu Ringo Madlingos also on that one. Once you release, sinawe. So for now, I'll give it 10 out of 10, and I'll start as we're waiting for the album and we're counting down. For the lovers of soulful music, soulful house music, Louis Vega has done it again. Vandaag, Louis Vega, the single is called Times Are Changing. Uhamba no Ben Westbridge and Uraha also, So this is a nice song. I know the soulful lover. Soul never dies. Soul never dies. Especially soul house music. It never dies. So go check that one out. It was released today on the 28th. And then we now sibuye mzansi ke manje. Angithi bese orkanti. Sibuye mzansi. We're teleporting every now and then. We are teleporting sisemzansi. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. And then you can also go to my TikTok if you are that person who likes to listen to a short clip nyana. Go to my TikTok. I had a song that caught my ears early hours of this morning. The song is Lunganele by Umthunzi. Everybody knows the song. The song was released. The first release of the song was by Meg G, which was last year, 2024, in July. It's a beautiful song. So now the 2.0 was released today. The 2.0 consists of DJ 2K, Umthunzi, Niapel, Anzo, DJ Rebel. It's a beautiful song, but it does not hit me like Gwelanga 2.0. The Gwelanga, the original, and the Gwelanga 2.0. They did good. I'm not going to rate the one that was released last year. I'm rating this one that was released today because we're all about the current affairs, current music. So this one I'll give it a 6 for success because it's the same old same. The producer there and the beat maker was playing safe. Me listening to the song, I'll give it 6 for success. It needs a lot of push because I don't think it will outshine the original. The reason why I'm wearing Tycoon Vandaag back then, Kwaito was the ish thing. Basing mind ukuthi silaleli line A1 for 4 minutes and it will still slap. I'm talking about abantu abafana nabomdu, Baba kaNomza, Vula Masango, Sangen. 4 minutes yonke. And it still slaps. Abo don't make me wait. Uyangithola? Abo sinyaka. Yayizwa lento engishoyo. But then let's throw back to uRis Madlisa. Indoda engashisa makhekhe ebhaka nice. You remember he gave us in 2001 Amaroto, they gave us Insimbi Zase Envy. I'm sure you will remember where he was with Uzuma, indoda enamakhanda amabili. So now he came and then he gave us his latest offering, which is Everything Is On Me. You've heard the single, Everything Is On Me, which was now released on the 19th of Feb. If I do not talk about this album, I will not be doing justice to the Kwaito legends, the ones that came before us. I'm talking about Abo Mandoza. I'm talking about Seshman. I'm talking about Dizinyok. I'm talking about Abo Brown Dash, Abo Briggs. I'm talking about Abo Mapaputsi. I'm talking about Abo Mdu. I'm talking about Mashamplani. I will not be doing justice if I don't rate the album Everything Is On Me. The album was released on the 19th of February 2025. Love the album. And I like what Uris Madlisa did there on his title track, I Abashwe, where he where he married Iskelegeqes Focus by Umandoza and his song Habashwe. The way he did it, it was so nice, and it sounded like Iskelegeqe. It's a song that was released Izolo. And we have a song again, it's called Vavavoom, and now it takes me back to Brown Dash. I like what you did, and I was so surprised when I see igama laka Sesh, uSesho Mnyama, same daughter. It took me back to 2006 when Sesh released his debut album as a solo artist, eti Same Daughter, Usesho Mnyama from Izinyoka. I had to go back and listen to that album Yaga Sesh because Riz Madlisa is reviving the old croakers of Ikwaito. So when I heard voice Yaga Sesh, I was so excited. Okay, no, now we have piano, but the piano now is sifaka lapho sekuyi ikwaito ihlangene nepiano, uyangithola, which is something good. He can now go feature Umdu, because Umdu is still alive. He can go feature Umdu, and then they do the song. He can go ahambe ayolanda Oskido, alandi BOP, the Brothers of Peace, abalande and say yazin, here's a Kwaito song. Ahamba landi Trompis. Big up to you, Riz Madlisa. This is a beautiful album. I've listened to the entire album repeatedly. Beautiful one. Ngizoyigaya out yami 8 for 8 da. Uyangithola. Bengizothi 7 phezulu mara ayayay. Ithi ngigaya isibhozo nje yami 8 for 8 da. Yizi izinto esifuna ukuzizwa lezi. And lastly, I would like to close ngoNkosazana Daughter. Nkosazana Daughter released a single, Etiseli Matunzi, and the reason why I'm bringing this forward is because if maybe you might have missed it, is because that there's a competition to all the young producers or the old producers. Oh, it's okay, right? You can remix the song. Let me just take a look on the Nkosazana Daughter. Yeah, there's a you will need you remix the song, and then after you have remixed the song, this is what you do. I'll give it to you now. There's a remix contest by Nkosazana Daughter. The competition is open now. You just go to her Instagram page. You'll get the link there, and then you start now. I'm sure you'll get the separates, and then the grand prize is Montage M6 synthesizer and Audio Make marketing package, which I believe it's a good deal. So the timeline here, submission, which was now on the 21st until the 14th of March. So we still have time. We can create, mix, master, and send. So the winner will be announced on the 19th. So, Bafetu, let's take advantage of this initiative. To all the producers, asispaneni, keep on pushing, keep on driving. One day sizopopa. Bengicela ukuyivala lento. Ngiyabonga kuwo wonke umuntu obukele. Siyabonga abantu abahle.